Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to make a video on how to download Microsoft Teams app on laptop or your personal computer. So without any further ado, let's dive into this quick tutorial. So here you need to be search on the google.com. We are on google.com right now. We need to be search Microsoft Teams and just search, and here you can see Microsoft Teams video conferencing, meeting and calling. So just enter it, and once you enter it, here you will have the option for download. Just click over here, download. Once you click over here, it will take a while to download, and here you can see they give us option for download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Just click over here, and here already downloaded perfectly. So we are going to install it carefully. So just click over here. Once we click over here, it will take a while and it will give us the option to install it, and the process is really simple to install. So I hope this video was knowledgeable for you, and it was also helpful for you. If you found out this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.